When I wait, I know you are with me. In the dark, I can almost see you clearly. Every day, you're singing over me. Like water, my love runs free. Oh, there is nothing like your love. There is nothing and no one above. Oh, come be with us, Holy One.
Good morning. It is Sunday morning, and what a rainy, cozy Sunday it is. But I thought I would just take you along today. Sundays are probably one of the most planned out routine-ish days of the week for us. It's also definitely the most planned out as far as meals. We normally have very much the same thing for breakfast, lunch, dinner if we are at home every Sunday. So I'm going to take you along for that. I just mixed up some baked oatmeal for breakfast. I'll put the recipe in the description box for you, but this one has been teething for a while now and it's a little rough. She's getting 2 molars. Did you find Mommy's makeup? Oh dear. That looks messy. Yeah. From breakfast to lunchtime to what we do in the afternoon to what we do in the evening, Sunday is very traditional for us as far as we've kind of figured out a schedule, a rhythm that works for us in this stage with 4 young kids, and to still try to make it as much of a day of rest as we can. So I think it's super important to rest one day a week, just kind of rejuvenate, refresh, get yourself ready for the week. So that's what we try to do even in this stage, and I hope that you're inspired as you follow along today.
In my pain, I know you can feel it. There I find the comfort in your spirit. And every day you're singing over me. Like water, my love runs free. Oh, there is nothing like your love. There is nothing, no one above.
Okay, we just got home from church and everybody is hungry. So our Sunday lunch tradition is some sort of a loaded salad. It's quick and easy to throw together. I grew up on big Sunday dinners, and when we host or have company, that's what we'll do. But it makes for a lot of dishes and takes a lot more time. So our tradition has become just a quick salad of sorts, and it can be all sorts of salads, which is also a great way to use up stuff that I have in the fridge. But I think today we're gonna actually do kind of like a power bowl, since that's what I have ingredients for. So I'm gonna cook some rice quick, throw together the salad, and we'll be ready to eat.
Holy One, oh come be with us, Holy One. Anywhere I go, in you I find my home. Anywhere
understand me, but it is quiet time now. It's Sunday afternoon. Goodness, what a cozy day. It's been so cloudy and rainy all day. The older kids don't take naps usually anymore, but Sunday afternoon is the exception. So normally we will do one of four things, maybe two of the four things. Either everybody will take naps and rest, or we will go for a family walk, or we will play table games or read books. So that's kind of the four things that we are likely doing on a Sunday afternoon. And it's just so nice to keep it really relaxed. And I think it's good for all of us to have that one time in the week when it's just very dedicated time to just rest and rejuvenate. So I was doing some reading, and I'm currently working on these books, both highly recommended by numerous people, but I haven't finished either of them. So I guess I'll have to give my final review on them after I'm done, but so far really good. First is this book on Heaven by Randy Alcorn. And then also this one, which is Emma's for Mama by Abby Halberstadt. So those are the books I'm reading right now.
There is nothing and no one above. Oh, come be with us, Holy One. Oh, come be.
All right, when 4:30 rolls around, no matter what day of the week it is time for Josh and the kiddos to head out to the barn. One of my favorite parts of living on a farm is the fact that, first of all, the kids get to spend so much time with Daddy. Well, all of us really. I love that we can do normally 3 meals a day as a family, and just the more family lifestyle I'm a huge fan of. But then also just the fact that they're getting fresh air every day. They love to go out there and see the cows and play with tractors and swings and all their goodies in the barn, baby kittens. There's so many health benefits as well to the fresh air every day, so I'm so glad that they get to do that. And this is the time, kind of feels like my me time for the week. And I say me time pretty loosely. Got a stack of cookbooks, got my planner, my pen, my water, and I just like to sit down and kind of plan out my week, make a meal plan, any events like through the days that I already know what to do. I normally do laundry on Mondays and Fridays, so stuff like that goes in there, and get all geared up to have a really good, successful week. So that is what I'm planning to do now. After that, sometimes I will have a little bit of time to watch YouTube videos, or then I also try to pick up the house in the afternoon while they're at the barn. I really try to do Saturday cleaning every week. It's just so much more relaxing to me if it's cleaned up on Sundays. So I try to make sure that when I will wake up Sunday morning, the house will be at least picked up and cleaned. It doesn't have to be like washing windows every week and walls and all that kind of stuff, but just a nice like clean feel. So there's not a ton, but there's like pillows and blankets on the floor. And then of course I'll also need to get started with supper. So that's kind of what I do later afternoon on Sundays, and it's honestly like it's nothing fancy, but it's so rejuvenating to me to just have a little bit of time to just sit and plan and think and dream of more projects in the house probably. But that's what I'm going to do now. And let me know in the comments below, what is one thing on your menu this week? I would love to know what you're cooking as well.
Holy One, oh, come be with us, Holy One.
I do apologize for the lighting. It is getting dark, so I will have to turn on the lights inside, which is one of my pet peeves. I do not like using artificial lighting in my videos, but it is what it is. It's getting towards evening now. It's almost 6 o'clock. So I'm getting ready to make supper. Normally Sunday suppers is some type of charcuterie, which honestly is just a fancy way of saying simple snacks and whatever we have on hand. But I just try to make sure that usually we have some sort of fruit, some sort of veggies, something protein, and then the rest I just fill in with whatever we have on hand. So that's what's up for dinner tonight. And then our Sunday evening tradition is to watch a family movie together. This is often just like some baking show. We really enjoyed the James Herriot, like All Creatures Great and Small. We watched that through as a family. Just something like super family friendly and that everybody can just enjoy, and mom and dad don't have to be running all around trying to come up with activities. The kids rarely get to watch a movie through the week, so it's always kind of special for them. It is still raining outside, so I guess I should have just called this my rainy Sunday routine. But rain or shine, this is normally kind of what we do. So anyway, let's get supper on the table. What can you do at the garden season?
Push out a little bit and help get the cows out.
Oh, neat.
And milk the cow.
Wow.
A nice cow, not another cow.
Was it fun?
And I also got to put a miracle on.
Really?
Yeah.
Bingo.
What?
Here's Bingo.
Bingo was his name.
All right, and that wraps up our Sunday. So I hope you were inspired, encouraged in some way, shape, or form. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing is to do on a Sunday. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, friends.
Golden